Tilka from Kissimmee, Florida, has a question about grooves.
Yeah, she's talking about these, Tom, right here on this smooth grooves. You got the groove going?
Groove.
It's a groove
Evie.
thing. All right, Tilka writes, I bought a desk with these deep grooves in the grain and smooth to the touch, but you can't write on it because the tip of the pen keeps getting caught in the grooves. I didn't realize this, she says, when she bought it. So, Tom, Tilka wants to know, can this be sanded smooth?
You can try to sand it, but I would tell you not to. Most of those types of furniture, those desks and things, that's a veneer on top.
Uh-oh.
And if you go through that, then you got a particle board or something underneath. And if you go to sand it, you have to refinish the whole thing anyway. But this is why they sell a thing called a blotter.
There it is.
Okay?
Got one on my desk.
I have one on my desk too, and it's exactly the same reason, is because any kind of hardwood surface is going to have some little dips and grooves and things like that.
Do it some more. We're going to put a beat to that.
But get yourself a blotter or put a couple pieces of paper underneath it, whatever you got to do.
Doing the Tom.
Yeah.
We're doing the Tom here.
I think that's the only answer because it's a good looking
You're not going to
surface.
play along, are you?
No, really not.
Okay.
I will. Okay.
He's Mr. Fun.
Here.
Go
Is
ahead.
that good?
Finish your question. Go
Yes. I would say get a blotter. I think that's the best answer when you're writing. You're not going to be able to smooth that out. You can even this counter here, our Formica countertop, it has grooves in it that would be hard to write on too. So it's just the way the texture of the table is.
Yeah, and you'll find it's easier to write when you have like a nice thick blotter underneath it.
Yeah, that's why they're
more
there. I
comfortable.
mean, that's
Yeah.
I have a writer's desk. I wouldn't write where the wood is, and my wood's smoother than that because it's going to show imperfections when it hits little grooves.
Or
It
you
just
could get
is.
an iPad Pro and just get an Apple Pencil. and write
Nice.
on that.
Yeah, who writes anymore?
Yeah.
How dare you write?
How dare you? Put down that quill.
Stop reading.
That quill and inkwell. All right.
Gosh.
All right, ye old home improvement fans, if you have questions, go ahead and send them to us here at HomeShowRadio.com. You'll need to use a computer. The quill and inkwell won't work for you. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. Send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.
Little dips.
You've got the universe reclining in your head. You're my
Whatever you got to
The Tom.
do. Yeah.
Yes, you're my love.
Is that good?